Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into product reviews that matter. Today, we're reviewing the 7D electric razor for bald men, a grooming tool designed to make your head shaving routine smoother and more efficient. Let's explore the features and see if it really lives up to the hype. This head shaver comes with a versatile 6-in-1 razor headset that includes a smooth shaving head, precision hair trimmer, adjustable hair trimmer combs, 357 millimeters, a nose hair trimmer, a soothing massage brush, and a cleaning brush. It offers the flexibility of both wet and dry shaving with IPX7 waterproof technology that lets you shave comfortably with shaving foam or underwater. The 7D floating head design ensures an ultra-flexible shaving experience, which promises to cover a larger area and cut down your shaving time. One standout feature is the fast Type-C charging that offers 100 minutes of runtime after just 1.5 hours of charging. The LED display keeps track of battery levels, so you're never left guessing when it's time to charge. Plus, with multiple charging options, including laptops and car adapters, this shaver is travel-friendly. The detachable shaving head is another practical addition, making cleaning super easy. I've used this shaver in a couple of scenarios, both dry and wet. Shaving dry, the razor glides over the scalp comfortably without pulling or irritation. It does take a few passes to achieve a smooth finish, especially in harder-to-reach spots like the back of the head. Wet shaving with shaving foam was a slightly smoother experience, but I did notice that the shaver can get a little clogged if you're not cleaning it between passes. The 7D floating head really helps with precision, and the different attachments are a nice touch, especially the nose hair trimmer and the massage brush. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility of the 6-in-1 attachments is impressive. This shaver is clearly designed for men who want an all-around grooming tool. The wet and dry shaving option is also a big win for those who like a bit of variety in their routine. The fast charging time and long battery life are also notable advantages, especially for travel. However, there are a couple of downsides. The shave itself, while decent, isn't as close as some of the more premium razors I've tried. It does require a few passes to get a truly smooth finish, and if you have sensitive skin, you might feel some irritation after use. Another issue I noticed is the potential for clogging, which can disrupt the shaving process. You'll need to regularly clean the head to maintain performance. When it comes to value for money, this shaver offers a lot for its price, especially considering the multifunctional design. However, if you're someone who prioritizes an ultra-close shave, you might want to consider higher-end models. But if you're looking for a solid all-in-one grooming kit, it delivers just that. Compared to other head shavers in this price range, the 7D electric razor offers a good balance of features, though it doesn't quite match the performance of more premium shavers when it comes to shaving quality. The versatility and long battery life, however, give it an edge for everyday use and travel. The build quality feels sturdy, and the detachable head makes cleaning easy. It's designed to last, though I haven't had it long enough to comment on its long-term durability. However, the materials and construction seem solid enough for regular use. As for customer support, I haven't had any personal experience with the brand's service, but based on other reviews, it seems to be fairly responsive. If you need help with the product, you should be able to reach out and get support without too much hassle. So, what are the alternatives? You can find similar products at lower price points, but they may lack the 6-in-1 functionality. For a similar level of performance without all the extras, you might look into basic rotary head shavers or other wet-dry models, though they won't be as versatile as this one. In conclusion, the 7D electric razor for bald men is a decent option for anyone looking for an affordable, multifunctional grooming tool. It does what it promises, offering a flexible shave, fast charging, and versatility. While it's not perfect in terms of a super close shave, its price, range of attachments, and ease of use make it a solid choice for most men. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others who are looking for a great head shaver can find this video. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep shining and stay well groomed.